Hello, my name is James and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Hyundai Tucson, then you're going to need some trailer wiring. It's required by law. Now let me show you how we complete this installation. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We're going to begin this installation by removing the tail lights. So open the cargo door and remove the plastic trim panel on the driver's side using a flathead screwdriver. With the 10mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the tail light in place. After I remove the two bolts, I'm going to pull the light backwards. Then I'm going to disconnect the clips. The tail light connection points are here and here. Now repeat on the other side. Now we're going to remove our underbody panel, taking out the 3 clips on the driver's side. We're jumping up to the engine compartment so that we can hook up 12-volt power with our U-Haul exclusive power wire. Now I'm going to be removing this plastic air intake. I will now hook up the U-Haul exclusive power wire to the battery terminal using a 12mm socket. Now I will secure the wire using a zip tie and then cut off the excess. Now I'm going to cut a little slot in this plastic cap so that the wiring fits in there without a problem. We will now put this air filter back on. I'm now going to fish the wire through the engine compartment using this fishing pole. And I'll be following the vehicle's pre-existing brake wires. I will now run the U-Haul exclusive power wire from the engine compartment to the back of the vehicle. Now I'm going to connect the U-Haul exclusive power wire to the power wire coming from the circuit box using a shrink butt connector. Now I'm going to fish the wire harness for the driver's side. I'm going to tape my wiring harness to the pole and pull it up. I will now ground the white wire to the vehicle body using the provided self-tapping screw. I will now plug the T-connecting wire into the factory wiring into the vehicle and the other side into the tail light. And then I will replace the tail light. I will now put the bolts back into the light with a 10mm socket. I will now fish the wire up into the taillight pocket. In order to prevent the wire from falling back down and touching the exhaust pipe, I'm going to secure it with a zip tie to the vehicle's factory wiring harness. Now I will attach this bracket using this drill. First I will drill the starter hole so that we can start, and we will be using a rivet to hold this bracket in place. I went ahead and zip tied all the excess wire behind the bumper fascia so that it would stay out of the way and not be close to any heat. For the final part of this installation, we're going to put our fuse into the exclusive U-Haul fuse holder and then put the cap on top. And now we can go in the back and test the plug. And finally, I'm going to replace the underbody panel with the 3 clips in place. This concludes the installation of your vehicle 4-flat wiring harness on a Hyundai Tucson. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.